Hey guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today we're on this Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. I'm going to do a quick walk around tour and show you some of the features of this boat. Starting at the rear, we've got a pair of Mercury Verado 400 V10 outboards. They are Mercury joystick piloted. Along the transom, we've got a nice prep station with sink, prep surface. We've got storage for a 5-gallon bucket, some drawers, and a pull-out refrigerator. On the starboard side, we've got a nice live well for all your bait whenever you want to do offshore fishing trips. On the floor of the transom, we've got 2 insulated fish boxes and then a nice bilge access below. As we make our way forward, you see we have this nice entertainment area. After you retract the table, you now have access to be able to flip down these chairs either way you'd like. So if you wanted to lounge facing forward or lounge facing rear, you can do that. Up at the helm, we've got a single captain's chair. You get all your controls. This boat does have digital and physical switching. You got your air conditioner, your Mercury joystick, and your VHF radio, as well as your audio control. On the port side, you've got a double wide bench seat with access to your head compartment. Another pair of AC vents, and this seat does raise and lower as well. On the starboard side, you have a nice little air-conditioned drop-in berth for if you want to tuck away and snooze for an hour or so. You've got a wind door as well as a full glass door as you make your way to the bow. Up at the bow, you can see we've got nice spacious seating for relaxing out at the sandbar while you're underway. Flip down a cushion, kick up your feet, put your drink in the cup holder, just hang out and relax. If you're looking for a boat like this, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you.